The Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon releases on October 2nd. Retail is $220. Here is the sneaker, guys. Leave a comment down below. Let me know, cop or drop. Please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 1,000 likes, and I will give away this pair of Yeezy 350 V2 Carbons. To enter the giveaway, if we get this 1,000 likes, just make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon, and at the end of your comment, just leave your Instagram handle or your email address so I can get in contact with you. Once this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll go ahead and pick a winner for this pair of Carbons. These are size 11. Let's take a look at the box. It does say Azrael. I did pick these up from GOAT. Make sure you guys check out the early unboxing video that I dropped yesterday. For some reason, it does say Azrael. I'm seeing Yeezy places, Yeezy new leaks information pages on Instagram. They're basically saying that it's supposed to say carbon. I guess maybe after the manufacturing of the sneaker, they went ahead and changed the name and everything like that. They went from Azrael, and now they're being dubbed Carbon. I really do like the shoe. I think, personally, this is one of the best Yeezy 350 V2s we've received all year long. Very nice colorway. You do have really nice hits of black and a little bit of that blue in there. A little bit of a light blue, almost gray color in the upper, which I really do like. You also have a black stripe that really does set the shoe off. And you cannot forget about that midsole and outsole being icy. Very nice, very dope shoe. I like the midsole and outsole. I do wish, and I'm sure a lot of you guys wish probably it was dark. They kept it an all dark tone. However, I kind of like the pop. I feel like it makes the upper stand out a lot more with the midsole and outsole being this clear color. I think it's a dope shoe overall, though. Yeezy 350 V2s, I do recommend going up half a size. If you never owned a pair, go up half a size. I want to give you guys a nice look at the Primeknit pattern. I think it's a really dope Primeknit pattern. The colors are really nice. They do a really good job of making that blue in the sneaker pop. The little bit of blue that's in there, it really does pop. Now, one thing I want to talk about is the laces. They do have the infinity laces, the bungee style laces right here, so you can't tie the shoe. You can only just pull it to make it tighter. My pair from GOAT did not come with extra laces. I'm pretty sure we're supposed to get extra laces, and the laces are supposed to be, from what I believe, just regular, same color, just regular laces, so you can cut this and then put in the regular laces. I'll have to hit GOAT up and ask him about the extra laces. But anyway, this is a really dope shoe. I'm happy that we're getting this release. This release has been pushed back so many times. You do have the Adidas and Yeezy branding there on the insole. These will be pretty easy to grab. I think if you guys put in the footwork, you shouldn't have a problem copping a pair. Very nice, very dope shoe, and they will be widely available. So plenty of pairs to go around. Plenty of people will cop this sneaker for retail. As far as resell is concerned, resell is not going to be too much on this 350 V2. Maybe 20-30 bucks over retail. Nothing too crazy. But I do think this is a Yeezy 350 V2 that will go up in price over time, because the price point after drop will be so low, it can really only go up from that point. But a very dope shoe nonetheless. I'm happy with them. I think they're clean. So make sure you guys enter in the giveaway. Once again, hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 1,000 likes. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, comments, concerns, opinions on this Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon, and make sure you leave your Instagram or your email at the end of your comment just for me to get in contact with you. 1,000 likes, and I'll pick a winner. Let me know if these are a cop or a drop down below. Let me know what you guys think about the colorway. I'm happy it's something different, something very, very nice, something very wearable. So I'm all for this colorway of the 350 V2. I hope you guys cop. Let me know down below if you're going to be going after this sneaker. Let me know what you guys think about them. Make sure you guys enter in the giveaway. Make sure you guys also hit that subscribe button down below if you guys love sneakers. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.